Oh, hey. Come
on in.
Hi, everybody. It's Katie here, and I have a very special guest today.
Her mom. Happy to be here.
Also, Denise Austin, everybody. Today, we are making a very special recipe. It is something I grew up with and my mom grew up with as well. And I feel like for years, like the last 10 years of my life, I've been wanting my mom to make these. They're called rolling things. That's what we call them, especially.
Yes.
Yeah.
When I was a little girl, my grandmother, being from Croatia and her parents were from Austria, they always made these rolling things. They're kind of like a cheese blintz, but a little less fattening.
Ooh.
Yes.
I always kind of thought of them as like a pancake or grape with some jam in the middle, and you roll it on up. You guys, they're so good, and I'm so excited, and they feel so nostalgic for me. So Mom, I'm gonna have you kind of lead us through this because you're the expert here.
They're my favorite. I used to make them for the girls when they were little, and it would make me so emotional because my grandmother would make those for us every time we'd go visit her, which was all the time. So you start with 2 eggs, and you make the batter first, of course, and then you add in some either buttermilk. I love buttermilk, a half a cup of buttermilk.
Just clean up after you.
Okay, honey. And then a little bit of water to thin it down. And then a touch of salt.
Damn, you go fast.
Yes.
This is what moms do. Usually I'm like, I have a recipe and I'm like, and then buttermilk.
Yes.
And then eggs. This is why you know my mom's a mom and I'm not a mom yet, because she's like, okay, then salt, and then we got the eggs, and then we got the buttermilk. Oh, yeah. And I'm like, whoa.
And then we whisk it, of course. So we're making the batter, and we make it nice and thin. And you get your griddle nice and hot or a frying pan. Get it real mixed well, and then add a little bit of flour and see how it goes. Do a little at a time. My grandma always used to use a touch of vanilla, just a touch. There you have it.
I don't know.
I'm a little sloppy. That's okay, sweetheart. And we made the batter. Then, after you make the batter, then you could add all your toppings and put stuff inside too, and we roll it. That's why we called it when they were little, rolling things. And I would eat like 8 when I was a kid. Okay, let's put it on.
We need some butter, right?
Yes, butter is the key, so it becomes a little crispy on the outside.
Let's do it. Come on in.
You gotta make sure it's nice and hot. Good tablespoon. Like it nice and hot.
Hotter than that? Jeez Louise. I'm nervous for my mom to do this. I don't know why.
And you just pour it on, and you notice I need a little more batter in the pan, a little more. Depends how big you want to make it. And you keep going around and around, and you let it settle. And it's a thin, nice pancake. You could fill it with anything. There
Wow.
There we go. Isn't that beautiful? We did it.
That's it?
No, let it cook for another minute.
Okay.
It's quick.
Okay.
And then you do one at a time and you roll it up. And it's so good. Are you ready? Flip it over. Whoops. Oh my gosh,
look at it. Smells so good.
So good. Okay. Little butter.
Now it's as hot as you want it.
And if you ever have like a little Sunday brunch or anything, you can make them ahead of time and have them all rolled up. Perfect. Work it, baby, work it. Woo, baby. And it's really fun to do all together.
I have to get this, sorry. My mom messed up a crepe offline and look where she puts it. Are you kidding?
I gotta have a bite.
When I say messed up and just like tore off a little bit, she just puts it in a corner over here. She's not invited back. I feel like I can just flip it, no?
Wow, like a pizza.
Welcome to my cooking
look
show.
at that beautiful rolling thing.
That one looks insane. Put it right there.
Okay, honey. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Now that is a 10 out of 10.
That is perfect.
I love you, but like, look how messy it is.
I'm always trying to do things quick because people are hungry.
So now that we have the pancake or the crepe ready, look how gorgeous.
Look
and look
at
how
it.
thin.
Oh.
The thinness of these, that's the key.
When I was a little girl, all I would do is get my jam and put it right inside and roll it up.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do, but you guys can also have cottage cheese, which is so good on this. Don't you like cottage cheese?
Yeah, cottage cheese or ricotta cheese. I line mine like this.
Honestly,
protein.
it sounds kind of crazy, but that sour cream inside of here is actually delectable.
Like a little sour cream in mine too. Just a touch, and it makes a world of difference.
Just a little bit, and the flavor is to die for.
The taste together.
I'm so excited.
And then I do a little bit of raspberry. My sisters always used to like strawberry. I like it. Oh, sorry, honey.
Putting cottage cheese in my raspberry jam jar?
Okay, here's the magic. Now you begin rolling it up.
Oh, my sleeves.
Just roll it up. That's it with your hands. So when you're little, you love to do this. You could add whatever you like on top. A little bit of powdered sugar.
Yeah,
Yes.
but I want to do fresh berries first.
Yes. Blueberries, red raspberries.
Berries.
Good fiber for us.
Look at.
I'll put a little bit of powdered sugar on it and a little bit of red raspberries. Look at that.
And I remember,
Yum.
Mom, as a kid, you used to just cut it up a little bit smaller. Looks a little bit more kid-friendly. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Should we taste test?
Yes, I'm so
I'm
excited.
so excited. I feel like I'm just gonna go back to my childhood and eat this.
Me too, with my grandma.
Okay. Oh my god, raspberry jam. Holy moly, that's good.
With a little bit of sour cream on raspberry
On the
jam.
inside, oh my gosh.
With the rolling thing, the crepe.
Like this bite right here. I don't know why this bite right here is like so my childhood. So nostalgic. You guys are gonna be obsessed. Any last words, Mom?
Enjoy. This brings us back to when we were little, and there's no reason for not making it all the time because it's delicious and you could add different savory or sweet inside the crepe.
Absolutely.
You could even have them for dinner if you like. You know, the French do.
We're
with
adults
grapes.
now. We can do anything we want. So this is your sign. Make your grandma's recipes. Bring back family recipes and traditions. We love you guys and cheers.
We love you.
Rolling things.
You'll enjoy it.